Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggs Nick, a simple soft scramble. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 fresh eggs, about 2 tablespoons of cold butter, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of chicken bouillon powder. Also, have a cold nonstick skillet and a silicone spatula ready for cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Crack your eggs directly into a cold nonstick skillet, then add the cubed butter. Turn the heat to medium-low. Stir continuously with your silicone spatula, scraping the pan's edges. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, alternating 30 seconds on the heat and 30 seconds off to prevent overcooking and achieve a creamy texture. Once your eggs are about 80% cooked and starting to clump, remove the skillet from the heat. This is the perfect time to season them. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder for an incredible umami flavor. Fold in a small amount of remaining butter until a soft, custardy texture is achieved. Serve your delicious eggs Nick immediately to enjoy their perfect texture. You can garnish them with fresh chives for a lovely finish. Remember, for the best results, use fresh eggs and avoid adding salt too early in the cooking process, as this can impact the egg structure. Enjoy your perfectly soft and flavorful scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.